Hi, I'm Angela and today I'm going to be cooking a cheesy mushroom and cherry tomato omelette as part of the Cooking at Home series with City Catering. So I've just put some oil in the pan, and then we're going to add our mushrooms. We're going to cook them till they're golden brown. You can use lots of different other veg. You can use peppers, you can use spring onions, you can use courgettes. All really good, just cook them through before. Okay, so that's heating up. So let's pop our mushrooms in. And we're going to cook those until they're golden brown. So we're going to add a bit of the garlic. Salt and pepper, don't need too much salt. Okay, and then just remove them from the heat. Pop them into a separate dish for the moment. Trying to get it so you don't get all the oil in there as well, because we can use that to cook the eggs. There we go. So now we're going to use 2 eggs for 1 omelette. So I'm going to give them a bit of a whisk up. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, a bit of seasoning. Already got some of the oil in the pan, so I don't need to add any more, but sometimes if you're using margarine or butter, you might need to put a little bit more in. I'm just going to let that heat up a bit. If you were using margarine butter, the margarine butter would start to foam, and that's when you would put your eggs in. With oil, you can hear the sizzle. Make sure they cover the face of the pan. Give it a good stir around. See, that's now starting to cook nicely. Then you bring the cooked egg to the middle of the pan so that you can actually cook the rest of the egg. So you can see the bottom half's cooked, but the top's a little bit damp, so we're going to put our fillings in. So we've got our mushrooms, and we're going to sprinkle it on half of the omelette. Some of our lovely tomatoes. A little bit of cheese. And then you can use basil, you can use any herbs. Okay, and then you're going to fold your omelette in half, and you're just going to leave that over a low heat just to melt the cheese. So as you can see, the cheese has started to melt now, everything's warming up, so that's ready to go. So we take it off the heat. You could garnish it with salads, you could garnish it with parsley, but any fillings in this that you like. If you wanted to use meat, just make sure it's thoroughly cooked, so you could use stuff from your Sunday lunch, chicken, beef, pop that in there, same way as we've done today. Make sure it's all heated through. Eggs are fantastic food, very versatile, very quick, and that's a very quick, nutritious meal for you and your family.